it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
So this is our hotel, the Hampton Inn. We've stayed here twice now. It's obviously we like it well enough. It's a little strange, but it is just fine. Great access to the beach, pool, bar. It's good.
Okay, good morning vlog. We're starting the vlog a little later in the day. This morning we just got up, went to breakfast, and now we are at Twister airboat ride, and we're gonna take an airboat to see some alligators. And you have to wear like these little earmuff things. Let me put them on. So you have to wear these because the fan is so loud, but it's super fun. We did one like a couple years ago. So yeah, and apparently we just have to wait here for like 20-ish minutes, I think, for our ride. It is raining a little, but it's just spitting, so hopefully it will stop here soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
This was supposed to be our down day, our beach day, our rest day, but the weather did not cooperate. It did not make for a very good beach day at all. So we found this local jet boat operator and we went out on the boat ride. We definitely saw alligator. We saw a lot of other wildlife. He said evidently that during the summer the farmers just let the cows kind of free roam down by the water. Saw an eagle. That was thrilling. It was a very nice ride. This jet boat operator wasn't quite the cowboy that the last one was when we took a ride a few years ago, but it was extraordinarily enjoyable, and we were the only people on the ride.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up. So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up.
After our few hours on the beach, actually a couple hours on the beach, we decided to get ready and go to dinner. We decided to go to the boardwalk pier that is in Cocoa Beach. It's a very long pier that goes out into the water, and there's a variety of restaurants and shops and bars. The one at the far end was closed, which is where we wanted to go, but because it's completely outside, and the weather was bad. But as you can see, doesn't stop people from getting in the water and playing. We had a decent dinner, drinks. It was nice. And then we went into Long John's and just went shopping. Actually making sure Doug doesn't buy out the entire store. It was a good evening and a nice way to end this portion of our vacation, because next comes the Disney part, and that's always fast paced and a little crazy.